I just finished the 40-minute live with both squirrels most of the time, but just do a quick short because apparently we're not done and my battery's dying. So you can go over to Front Yard Adventures or the live and watch that. Both the squirrels are out. Very entertaining. Whoa, that's a hop like a bunny. You're still on camera, little guy. Two and a half more minutes for you. I had to go grab a bag of peanuts because I didn't know we were doing a long live with two of them. Kept turning around and finding them on the porch. But you can see all that in the replay, so if you could watch that. Hello, Mr. Lewis. Okay. I told them I'd throw out a bunch of peanuts for them because they did the live for me, so I did that. That's a really good picture. My grandchild was here for a while. They are one of my aides. I'm down at home health aide. I had to let them go. So I do have my grandchild. So they were here today and did a lot of stuff for me, and I treated them to lunch. 2 peanuts. 3? What? He's got 3 peanuts in his mouth. How's he gonna get up the tree? Alrighty. Okay, well, it's time to end this one. Okay. Go check out the live, and thanks for watching, and do all the YouTube things, and see you later.